Told y'all we'd find out a way to mount this ECM in this fender well. So Dad and I talked it out and we've come up with a conclusion that we think will be good again for a driver. I'm going to drill a small hole right through the battery tray because the battery tray is nice and sturdy, and I'm going to put two little holes right through the cooling fins of the ECM, and that way we can mount it. It can be removed, serviceable, but it won't bounce around, won't move around, and it's kind of placed in there at an angle just like it would be from a GMT 800. So here we go. Now hopefully we didn't just brick the ECM. Put this in a good spot too. Now, while I wouldn't consider myself a fabricator by any means, I came up with this little tiny bracket to hold the fuse block right above the ECM. I think it turned out pretty sharp. No pun intended. Let's see if it can go on easy. There. Mounted the fuse box of the two relays on a custom little bracket I made, and then we mounted the ECM to the battery box. Nice and simple, nice and sturdy. I clean up these wires. I got to figure out what these go to, obviously, and this one, it runs solo all the way across there, so I gotta attach that to the loom. Still got some cleaning up to do, but obviously we're not too far along yet. So this is chassis ground. I was able to put that here. So all in all, I'm very happy with that. Like I said, it's nice and sturdy. It's out of the way. This right here. So I'd say that's a win.